Hello Seed Savers! I'm Bonnie from Circle City Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to collect Coreopsis seeds. Coreopsis is native to most of the United States, including here in Indiana. This lovely plant volunteered my planter box, which was a wonderful surprise. And it appears to be a Lanceleaf Coreopsis. Coreopsis is a flower that is sometimes a perennial and sometimes an annual, depending on both the variety and also your growing zone. This one that I had last year reseeded itself with a passion. They are usually yellow in color, but sometimes have a brownish red color to them, or sometimes even pink. They bloom from early summer all the way until frost. To collect the seeds, you want to wait until after the flower's been pollinated by insects. Once this happens, the flower head will close up and the seeds will form. It seems like it only takes a few days until the seeds are ready, so you'll have to watch them carefully. You'll know the seeds are ready when the flower head has begun to turn brown and crunchy. Sometimes even the stem starts to turn brown. You want to get to the seeds in that small window between when the flower heads start turning brown and the seeds start spilling out all over the place. I like to just snip off the whole flower head and let it dry out a bit more inside, but if the flower head is already reopened, you could just shake the seeds out into a container. The seeds are curved and thin, and they have a darker stripe running down the middle with lighter sides. If you cut the whole flower head off, wait a few days and you can easily shake the seeds out. Before you go to plant your seeds, you'll need to cold stratify them to simulate winter conditions. If you are unfamiliar with cold stratification, I have another video covering the process. Coreopsis seeds are also one of the few seeds that need light to germinate. If you start your seeds indoors, you want to give them about 8 weeks to grow before your last frost date and after you've also cold stratified them for 3 to 4 weeks, so plan ahead. You'll want to plant them somewhere where they get full sun and they also do well in containers. But if all that is too much work, you can help the flower out by crushing the dried up flower head. Then you'll have a bunch next year. I was careful to collect as many seeds as I could, and I still ended up with a ton of volunteers the next year. If you would like to purchase some of the seeds I've collected here today, you can do so in my Etsy shop or on my website, circlecityseed.com. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to learn more about saving all different types of seeds, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what seed saving video you would like to see next. Happy seed saving!